Hey guys, we're up here camping at Diamond Lake today, and once again we're gonna make campfire pizza. So first you want to get your fire going and get your stone on to the grill and put your hood on and let it preheat. You want that stone nice and hot. Okay, since I don't have a countertop to work on, we're just going to make it right here on the pizza pan. So I'll throw a little flour on there, and I'll also flour up my pizza peel. I like to rub the flour in to make sure it's nice and floured. Then I like to put a little seminola on there. I used to use cornmeal, but cornmeal is a bit gritty, and I like seminola a lot better, and it really helps to keep that pizza loose on the peel so it'll slide off nice and easy. Alright, we'll get our dough out. I make my own dough. This dough actually is a 5-day dough. It's been sitting in the refrigerator for 5 days. Usually my doughs only stay in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 days. But actually the longer you leave it in there and with a slow rise, the better flavor you're going to get. So this is going to be a really good pizza dough here. One of these days I will make a video showing my pizza dough recipe. I've been making pizza for over 20 years, and I've gone through a lot of different recipes, and this is the one I like the best. So you want to stretch out your edges so that your outside crust isn't too thick, and stretch the dough out to about the size you need. If you get any little holes in it, just pinch them together and push it down. And it'll be good to go. So once you get it pretty well stretched out, put it on your pizza peel and finish getting it to the shape that you want it. Alright, that looks pretty good. We'll get it over here and get it fairly round. Whoop, a little hole there. No problem. Okay. Whoop, get that bug out of there. Now we'll get some sauce on it. So I make my own sauce in fairly big batches. And then I put it in little butter containers like this and throw it in the freezer so that I don't have to make it every time I want to make a pizza. I think last time I made the sauce, I maybe split it up into 5 batches instead of 4. So I don't have quite as much as I usually use, but I still have plenty. Stir it up a little bit and spread the sauce around. Okay, we got it all spread out. It's looking pretty good. So now we'll get some cheese on it. Today I'm just going to use mozzarella. Sometimes I switch it up and put a little provolone, maybe a little cheddar. Oh, there's all kinds of cheeses you can use, but today all I have is mozzarella. We'll use a little bit of this cheese up. Sometimes I use the pre-grated cheese and sometimes I grate it myself. I prefer grating it myself, but this is, especially when you're on the go or out camping, and when it pre-grated is a little easier. This is actually Tillamook here, one of my favorite cheeses. It's made right here in Oregon, in Tillamook, Oregon. And you may be able to find it at your store near you. They do send it out. I know my brother-in-law down in Texas can get it. If you want to give it a try, look around for it. Alright, we'll get some pepperoni on it and we'll be done and ready to put it on the campfire. Sometimes this pre-sliced pepperoni wants to stick together and it's a pain in the butt to get it apart. If you let it sit out and warm up just a little bit, it's a little easier to get them apart, but I didn't do that this time, so I'm gonna have to struggle with them. You want to get lots of pepperoni on there. They tend to shrink a little bit while they're cooking, so don't skimp on the pepperoni. All right, that's looking pretty good. Oh, my wife said I missed one. All right, that looks good. Okay, so now we'll check the temperature of the stone to make sure it's nice and hot. Yep, it's up to 560 degrees. That's plenty hot. Okay, we'll give that pizza a little shake and make sure she's loose. Yep, she's good. Let's take it over and put it on the fire. All right, get that pizza right in the center. Okay, good job. Now we'll get the hood on. It's just the hood from my Weber grill. We'll put it on to the rear so there's space in the back, and then I'll put some wood chips in there to get some flames back there that'll go up under the hood and get it nice and hot inside of there, creating a nice oven. There you go. I see the flames. All right. We'll put some wood chips like that on 2 or 3 times during the cooking process to make sure the flames keep going up in there. Alright, we'll get some more on there. Been a few minutes, put a few more chips in there. Once again, a couple more chips. Oh yeah, it's looking good. Alright, we'll get the pan. We'll spin it around a little bit so the back doesn't get too cooked. Alright, this thing is ready. I'm pulling it off. It looks good. Let's get it over to the table and cut it up. Oh yeah, that pizza looks good. Can't believe we got such a nice pizza out here on the lake while camping. Alright, let's cut it.
Smells like pepperoni.
Can you hear that crunch?
Smells good.
It's nice and crispy.
Has a nice crunch.
Oh, looks like my wife's not gonna wait for me. Alright, I want to get me some of this pizza. I'm going to take 2 pieces. Oh, my dog wants some too. Get down, Bella. Oh yeah, that is good pizza. Nothing beat, you can't beat pizza at the lakeside while you're camping. Oh, don't forget the beer. There's nothing like pizza and beer. Up here at Diamond Lake, they have a pizzeria, but their pizza just can't top mine. Plus, it's pretty expensive. All right, we're getting down to the end of it. Alright folks, this pizza's in the bag. So thanks for watching.